1000 square feet will be only functional area, where no equipment, but only small gadgets. And who will train the member is a trainer. So one-to-one functional training. How can I train the member in different angles? So that's an expertise which a trainer is required to do in newer clubs. So functional training clubs will come up. ACE is a certifying body, acefitness.org. This is acefitness.org is the website. Then ACSM, where I am being certified. I certified in 1996. I went there. I had no money. Holiday sponsored. Today also someone will sponsor you. Someone is there to help you. Just have belief and ask. In our academy, we have 5 seats which are going to give this time to economically challenged students who can show details saying that, listen, I can't pay this money. This is too much for me. We take these 5 students, make them certified professionals, and give them a job directly. So we're going to do this because someone did this for me. We have ideafit.com is also a certifying agency. They don't certify, but it's a group. So it's like going to Mecca. It's like going to a spiritual retreat every year. If you're a certified trainer, you have to go for an ACSM summit or an Idea Fitness summit or an URSA conference at least once in your lifetime in US. That's what this agency is. So you need to connect to the world to get more knowledge on health and fitness. What's the success formula? Start talking to yourself that I will be successful. Any industry you are, anything you do in your life, you need to start talking to yourself, I will be successful. Think positive all time. There's no substitute. Every moment, every time when you say anything negative, gets registered into your subconscious mind, and one day that negative comes out and you do that action. I believe it's so much. So not a single moment of your day-to-day life should be negative. By saying I cannot do it, I will do it in some time. I can do it and I will do it. You need to say that. I can't afford it, never say I can't afford it. I afford it, I will buy it. Once you say something like that, your subconscious mind starts working towards it, and that's the belief you build in. Consistently do what you love. If I wouldn't have done what I'm doing for the last 21 years, in between so many people told me, leave this field, what are you going to do as a trainer, 3,000, 4,000 salary. Most trainers come to me and say, sir, घरचे खूप प्रेशर टाकतात की ह्याच्यात काय होत नाही आपलं. म्हणलं, what do you love? Just keep doing it. Success is going to come. What are you going to do? Leave this field and do something else, and after 2 years say पैसा आ गया पर love नहीं. पैसा आ गया पर पैशन मजा नहीं आता है. घर पे जाता है थक जाता है.